Wrong when you think about it. He said just to put everything on a card, because I have it's paid off. He's like, just put everything on a card right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Especially if you get one that's got like a 0%.
Roll that pitch over for 30 days, and at the end of the 30 days, just paid off half of it.
Yeah.
And then you'll start money coming in already by the 30th day.
Yeah. Free financial advice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, is this what's going on over here?
Why are you always recording me?
Why not?
So annoying.
Andy cannot back up a trailer to save his life. Let's watch him laugh a little bit. Yeah, that thing is noisy. This is the worst job. I
was like so out.
I've ever seen. What's wrong with you? Why can't you back up a trailer?
I don't want you to take out my car.
Shut up.
You want Daddy to do it for you?
Hurry up! You're completely off.
Rule numbers for my car. You can do it, Juan.
Why are you cheering him on?
Come on, Juan, you can do it.
Keep coming.
Oh man, does it.
Shut up. It's the truck. That's good.
Oh, we got the Nova loaded up. Got it.
By the way, guys, I bought myself a new trailer.
Don't tell Liz.
Don't tell Liz. It's for the rat rod.
Let's go. See, I've got my trans brake button on this side, and you can actually hear it working, but this bump button is not, and you can hear something going on, but it's just not moving the solenoid. So my thought is that something wrong on the trans brake solenoid, because I can hear it trying to bump. On a Pro Tree, I just can't get staged and spool fast enough in order to leave right. So this is gonna be pretty critical going to Streetcar Takeover. Let's figure it out. And that means it's a solid connection, so there's nothing wrong with this or the button. So next step is to trace it to the computer, find out from there to the solenoid where the problem is. So yeah, I'm getting current. Everything seems to be working fine electronically underneath the car at the solenoid, but the solenoid's not responding. So we're gonna have to add that to the list, get it here, get it on, so we can get going. But at least I think it's solved. I just need to get the new part in from Summit, get it on, and let's go. I did some research on the internet, and I think we're overspinning the alternator. So we're gonna put this bigger pulley on there, hope that it solves our problem. It's always had really good voltage during idle. It's just when we get on the trans brake, it drops, and then when we go down the track, it just drops and considerably goes low. So the only true test is gonna be taking her for a spin. So tomorrow we gotta get an alignment done and then bring it back and just go play with it a little bit on the street to find out where we're at voltage wise. That's it for now. Let's take it to work in the morning and go from there. Back from the shop, everything went well. We got the car aligned and we're ready for Streetcar Takeover. But before we get to that, looking at the YouTube page, we're at 900 subscribers, and that's awesome. We got there a lot faster than I thought we did. So for the big 1,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna do a little giveaway. We're gonna give away a Bullet WS6 shirt and a decal. In order to win, all you gotta do is be subscribed to the channel and leave one comment below on this video. After Streetcar Takeover, I'll choose a random winner and I'll send them a shirt of their size and a decal. So just gotta clean it up and we'll see you in Dallas. Let's go.